Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aneke here on Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuffing, budgeting, paying off our debt, and mind our business, and not necessarily in the 4 orders. So if you are interested in that, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn your notification on, like, and leave your 2 cents with your comment down in the comment box below. Okay, get into it. But as you guys can see today, we are doing a debt update to see how much in total we have. So we're updating our trackers, child. We're updating our total cost, and baby, we just about to get all up into it. So without further ado, y'all, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I zoomed y'all in a little bit. If you are new here or you have never seen what my debt trackers look like, there's a video with all of these paycheck planner. There's a whole free paycheck planner for download that you guys can go ahead and print for free. Excuse me. And it includes this debt tracker, which shows all of my debts that I have and what I've paid on them. Currently, I have 3 debts. I have my Navy Federal credit card debt, my Navy Fed car loan debt, and my PennyMac home mortgage. So those are my 3 debts that I have going on right now. And I am basically going to do an update on all 3 of these because March closed out, and then literally what we have left for the month of March. At the end of March, what we have in total of debt to be paid back. So let's talk about it. Here we go. So the first debt that we're going to talk about is my Navy Federal credit card, y'all. Y'all. Okay. So at the let me zoom y'all in some more so I can see better. Okay. So my Navy Federal credit card, right? So March 31st, 2024. Literally, let me do this calculation real quick. Literally, y'all, I can't even, this ain't even funny, but what I paid is $1.39, y'all. $1.39, no interest. And so my new balance on my Navy Federal credit card is $7,414.01. And y'all must be like, girl, what? How is that possible? You get what I'm saying? True, valid. But here's what happens. So how I calculate these is I have what I paid, and I've already repaid the interest. I don't count those. So I said, what is my old balance? What is my current balance at the end of the month? And then if that is lower than my old balance, that means that I paid the interest as well. And so I just put what's remaining. So these are the remaining amount while also paying the interest. So that's why interest never has anything here, because I pay the interest, I make payments on the credit card, and then after all of that, this is a total of how much I pay less than the previous balance, which makes the new balance. And so yeah, so after paying the interest, after putting stuff on my credit card and paying those back, I only made an extra payment of $1.39 to drop it down to $7,414.01. Yeah, y'all. When I tell you March been if you thought February was bad, y'all, this is March. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to figure it out. Like I said, I don't know, but I'm trying to figure it out. But yeah, only $1.39 was paid to my credit card. And honesty, hello somebody, my name is Aneke Budgets here. My name is Aneke here in Aneke Budgets, and yeah, I'm messing up. So that was my Navy Federal credit card. Then we're going to move on to my Navy Federal car loan, which is for my baby Felicity, which is for my car. 3/31/2024. So for this one, however, what did I pay? Because this one is different. For this one, I paid, y'all, I don't know what my new balance is. Oh, I know what it is, sorry. So for this one, Give me a second, y'all. Give me a second. So for this one, right, I paid $375 towards my loan, towards my principal of my loan. And then in interest, y'all, I paid $25.91. And so now my remaining balance on my car is $10,341.94. And so that is what is remaining on my Navy Federal car loan, y'all. So yes, child, it's going down. It's like the lowest interest rate one, and it's going down, and I'm super excited. And so I'm thinking about switching, like, what is my primary debt or whatever. And I was just like, girl, you could do that. And I've been thinking about it, y'all. But that is now my car amount, $10,341.94. So great. All right, so let's switch. 3/31/2024. So this is my last loan that I have, which is my mortgage. My mortgage, child, I paid on my mortgage $875.16. And this is not all towards the principal. This is my principal and my escrow, because your girl has to pay her taxes and insurance on her home, right? So $875.16 is how much that I pay how much I paid in escrow and principal. And then in interest, y'all, I paid $444.84. When I tell you, this hurts my heart every time I look at it. And so my new balance is $202,940.30. So y'all, let me show y'all how crazy this is. Let me show y'all how crazy this is. Minus $461.24. This balance right here, this amount, this $413.92 is what I actually paid towards my principal. This $461.24 that you guys see right here is how much I paid to escrow, which is my home insurance and my property taxes. And then this $444.84 is how much I pay in interest. What? Crazy, y'all. Freaking crazy. But that is how much all my debts are currently. That is how I'm in and out the quarter with all the money. So I did go down, obviously I did go down for my debts and everything. So my total amount that I now have remaining is $202,940.30 for my mortgage, plus $10,341.94 for my car loan, and then $7,414.01 for my credit card, which has me a total of $220,696.25. Jesus, the offense, Lord. Cause what? But yeah, $220,696.25. That's how much I have in total in loan that is associated with my Social Security. Wow. Okay, y'all, so this is basically my little dashboard of how much I have in debt. And so the last time I updated this was in January, and so I had $222,640.34, child. At least turn up. That's what I had left over in my debt, baby. And so today we are going to be changing this out because we are thankful and blessed, even though we have all this stress in this account number. You feel me? In this debt number. But you know what? It's cool. So we started out for $222,640.34. And today we have $220,000. Right, $220,700 $696.25 in debt. So let me take up the rest of these, because actually let me put the 0 right here since we already have a 0. Do we have a 6? Yes, we do. We have a 601, 96.25. Okay, so I don't need these numbers. 696.25. Trying to find a 6, y'all. There we go. $226,696.25. So this is my new balance on here, okay? And so let's do a calculation real quick of how much it is. So $222,640.34 minus our new balance, which is $220,696.25, meaning that in the last 2 months I've done a decrease on my debt, on my total debt, of $1,944.09. So we went down by almost $2,000, y'all. So not too bad, not too bad. We could do so much better if, you know, your girl would just stop eating. But I just be eating, you all. I just be eating. That's the problem. That's the problem. So anyways, yep, we are going down. We're doing better. We're down to $226,696.25. And y'all see we got one more payment, then we're under $10,000 for the car. And woo! Oh, that's my other thing, y'all. Let me know, like, do y'all think I should continue to put like more of my money towards my credit card or more of my money towards my car payment? Like, let me know in the comment box, like, what y'all would do, what y'all think. Because I'm thinking like my car payment only has like a 2.5% interest, and so I can, you get what I'm saying, like, get it down. But we don't know, child. So yes, but this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe to the channel, leave your 2 cents with your comments down below, and turn your notification on. Yeah, as always, I hope y'all ate well. I hope y'all ate good, whether that is physically, financially, spiritually, or mentally. I hope y'all ate on all four levels. Okay, so I will see y'all again for another video. Y'all, this video every day, crazy, but I'm doing it well. Today's day number 3, y'all, of these 30 days of video, all financial, all talking about money. We're not doing nothing else but talking about money in these 30 days. Well, except for Sunday reads. But other than that, we're talking about money for these next 30 days. So thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Aneke, and I will see y'all in the next one, aka tomorrow. All right, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.